You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to say thank you in Korean. Very useful to know, of course, when you're traveling or talking to Korean people. How do you express your gratitude in Korean? Let's learn how to pronounce 감사합니다. It's the combination of two words, 감사, meaning thankfulness or gratitude, 감사, and 합니다, which means I do. 감사합니다 is how to say thank you in Korean. If you want to learn more Korean vocabulary, stay tuned. How to pronounce, how to say thank you in Korea, 감사합니다. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.